Hey everyone, Lee here. In this video I'll show you how to create a hole in a 3D model using Bambu Studio. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open up Bambu Studio and import your model. For this example, I'm working with a simple tray. Once your model is loaded, click on it to select it. Then right click and choose Add Negative Part, followed by selecting a cylinder shape. Since we're making a hole, a cylinder is usually the best option. Click OK to add it. Now you'll see a cylinder appear on your model. This represents the area that will be removed when the model is sliced. Next, click on the cylinder and go to the Scale Size tool, the icon that looks like a square with an arrow. From here, you can adjust the dimensions, change the width, depth and height to match the size of the hole you want. After setting the size, click off the tool and focus on positioning. Move the cylinder to the exact spot you want the hole to be. Once it's roughly in place, switch to the Move Position tool, the icon with arrows. At this point, it's helpful to rotate or adjust your view so you can clearly see how the cylinder interacts with the model. Now comes an important step, adjusting the depth. Use the vertical, usually blue, arrow to push the cylinder down into the model so it fully passes through it. This ensures the hole actually cuts all the way through. If you skip this step, the hole may not form correctly. When everything looks good, go to the Preview tab and slice the model. In the preview, you should now see that the cylinder area has been removed, leaving a clean hole in your print. And that's it. That's how to add a hole to a 3D model in Bambu Studio. If this helps you out, feel free to let me know in the comments, and if you're into 3D printing, consider subscribing for more content like this. See you in the next one.